Now let's go to page blocks. This is a little bit more technical. It's not a feature that you can see on the dashboard. So let me show you what it's the contact page. So on the contact page, we have the loader data with the meta tags defined here. So we can call this function and set the title and description. And the blocks, which are actually the page blocks, we have it defined like this. So we have the header, and we can update this default header because it's used in more than one page, like contact, landing, newsletter, and pricing. And we have this heading. Let me show you what it's like, contact page. So let's go to that contact page. So this is an easy way to render specific blocks, but you can actually use render and put something here like hello. So it's all the way to here because it's unstyled. That's the benefit of the page blocks. And if the page blocks require data, like in this case, it requires contact form data, you need to define it on the loaded data and then load it. In this case, I'm gonna go to the contact page and see on the loader here that I'm actually loading it in a remix way. But in Next, you get a Next specific way. But this contact form data needs to match the contact page loader data. And then we can use this data on the page blocks with use type loader data. And finally, if you have actions, like in this case, we have this action submission, you will have access, you will be able to call this specific action on the action. In this case, it's remix specific, but if I go to my RockStack next contact page, you can see that it's the same structure: loader data, load function, meta tags, blocks, and action submission. And this action submission is called in a different way. With React Server components, we have the contact form calling it directly. And in the case of Remix, it's done in the action depending on the action name. So yeah, that's a convenient way of building quickly landing pages like I showed you.